Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. Today we will learn about bottom-up estimation. Bottom-up estimation means you break a big project into tiny tasks, estimate each small piece, and then add them up. Think of building a huge Lego castle. Instead of guessing the whole, you count the floor, the walls, and the towers, then add them all together. Step 1. Break the project down. In business, this is called a work breakdown structure. Example, a bake sale cookie project. We have 4 tasks. Step 2. Estimate each small piece. Because each task is small, the estimates are easier and more accurate. Step 3. Add them up. Total cost equals task A plus task B plus task C plus task D. Let's use a calculator to get the exact total. The total cost is $38. Why is bottom-up estimation good? It is more accurate, it gives detail, and it builds confidence because you can explain exactly where every number came from. That is bottom-up estimation. Start small, add it up, and get a reliable total.